Today we will discuss next chapter of chemistry. It's matter around us pure. So now let us start. First we will start with the classification of matter. On the basis of the physical state, matter is classified into three main types. First, solid, next liquid, and gases. All these things we have already discussed in chapter first uh, about the matter, what is the state of matter, and in this chapter we will study or we will focus on the purity of matter. So on the basis of the chemical composition, matter is classified into main types. They are pure substance and mixture. Clear? So what is the pure substance? So pure substance are of two types. First, they are present in elements form or in present in compounds form. So element, what is the element? Like as you know, you have studied element like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. These are present in elemental form. So when the element form the molecules, and by the combination of the molecules there is a formation of compound. So finally, if the compound is formed from the same element, so now it's called the pure substance. And what about the mixture? Mixture are also of two types. They are the homogeneous mixture and next is the heterogeneous mixture. So we will discuss what is the homogeneous mixture and what is the heterogeneous mixture in this chapter. So first, now the matter is classified according to this hierarchy. It's present in pure substance in the form of elements and compound, and if the matter is present in the form of mixture, so now it's from two type of mixture: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Next, question is arising: what is the pure substances and mixtures? So pure substance, as we already discussed, is a substance which consists of a single type of substance like element or compounds. It is a single type of substance. Next, for example, iron. Iron is made up of Fe. Clear? So the iron compounds is made up of iron, copper, hydrogen, oxygen, water, sugar, common salt. All these are pure substance. Now the mixture. Mixture is a substance which consists of two or more pure substance. If we are talking about the homogeneous mixture, so now the homogeneous mixture is made up of two pure substance. For example, seawater, minerals, soil, air, sand, salt, sugar in water, salt in water. All these are the example of homogeneous mixture. Difference between the pure substance and mixture. Pure substance, same. Pure substance consists of a single type of substance. Now, pure substance cannot separate into other substance by physical methods. These are the method of purification. If you purify pure substance, so it's not differentiate in more than one substance because it's made up of one substance. That's why it's pure. Now, mixture consists of two or more pure substance. Mixture is consist of two or more pure substance. Mixture can be separated into two components by physical methods. Can be separated by the physical method. So next, mixture shows the property of its components. Of course, the final property of the mixture is shown from which it's made. For example, sugar. Yeah, sugar and water solutions show the property of glucose because glucose is sweet. Yeah, and salt is show the property of um, salt. Yeah, NaCl is made up of NaCl, but it show the property of salt. So next, now the type of mixture. Now types of mixtures. homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So we will talk about what is the homogeneous mixture. Is a mixture which has a uniform compositions. Next, particles of the mixture are not visible by the naked eyes. Particle cannot be separated by the filtration. Mixture is stable. The particle do not settle down. The path of the beam of light is not visible in the mixture. For example, it's a best example of homogeneous mixture is a sugar and water mixture. No, you form a sugar syrup here, so you can't separate sugar from the water at the homogeneous condition. Yeah, so this solution is called the homogeneous mixture. Water and milk. Yeah, when we mix the water in milk, we cannot separate the water from the milk by the homogeneous by the other methods. So it's from the homogeneous mixture. But what about the heterogeneous mixture? If you want to form the heterogeneous mixture, take sand, mix it in water, or you can take a soil and mix it in a water, and it's not completely dissolved in water. Clear, and it form the particles of the sand or soils. You can visualize with the naked eyes. Yeah, visualize with the naked eye, and when you filter it, it separate out, and the mixture is unstable. It's not a stable. Particles will be settled down, so it's an unstable mixture. If you drop a beam of light, you can easily visualize uh, the particles of a soil in a mixture. So that's why it's called a heterogeneous mixture. Mixture of salt and sand, mixture of sulfur and iron fillings, and mixture of oil and water. You can easily visualize oil that is float on the surface of the water. So these all of are the example of heterogeneous mixture. Next, what is the true solution? What is the true solution? So what about the true solution? True solution is a homogeneous mixture. Yeah. Homogeneous mixture is also called the true solution. It's made up of more substances. A solution has a solvent. What is the solvent? If we talking about the solution, the solution is made up of solute and solvent. Solution is made up of solution and solvent. So, for example, we can easily understand sugar is a solute and water is a solvent. When we add the sugar in the water, now it's from the homogeneous mixture that is called the solution. So, solution is made up of two components, solute and solvent. So now we will discuss here a solutions has a solvent and solute as its component. The component in the large amount is the solvent. For example, if we making the sugar syrup, so we take the water in a large amount and the sugar in a less amount. So solvent, so water is a solvent, it's present in large amount, and the component is the lesser amount is the solvent. So now example solution of the salt in water, solution of sugar in water, iodine in water, tincture of iodine that makes the tincture of iodine. It's also used for the antiseptic property. So soda water, all these are the example of the true solutions. So the particle size of the solute in the true solution is so small, so it's adjust yourself between the water molecules. Already we will discussed about the property of the matter. So property of the true solution is a homogeneous mixture, very important. Particles cannot be seen by naked eye. Next point, solute particle cannot be separated by the filtrations. The solute particles do not settle down and the solution is stable. A particle do not scattered beam of light passing through it and the path of light is not visible in the solution. Yeah, so I hope you have understand about the true solution.